Hello everybody, welcome to Pamela's Creations. Span you out here. I'm here to show you what I won in a couple giveaways. The first one, I think her name is Katrina Creations. I'm pretty new to her channel. So she was doing a semi-finalist winner giveaway. Christmas in July Fairies. Now that is Dana from One to Less Crochets. She does it every July. She starts it in June and ends it in July. That her video down below so you can check it out. So what I won was she sent me this beautiful card. So this is, I don't know, the second time I'm filming this. So I already opened everything up. But everything was nicely packaged. So here's a pretty card. And it says, "Hi Pam, congratulations on being a semi-finalist. Good luck on the grand prize drawing. Thanks for subbing and watching the channel, Katrina." And I did sub her channel. What I got here were 3 of these, and it is bamboo cotton cashmere. It's very soft, very soft, very soft. So I got 3 skeins of these, and it says fashionable cashmere. So that is very pretty, and you can stick all 3 of these together and make something, or just use one little strand. I think I'm going to use all 3 together and just, I don't know, make a couple things. I'm not sure what yet, but they are gorgeous. Super pretty. Yeah, so that's what I won from her giveaway. One was from Sharon from Cheap to Chic, and I adore her channel. She does hauls and crafting videos. Thank you, Sharon. I won a $20 Amazon gift card. It was from the Altered Mirror collaboration that we did, hosted by Raina. So I'm going to show you what I ordered from Amazon from her gift card that she sent me. So I got these grommets, and this is one thing I don't have in my stash. And there's a few crochet projects patterns that call for these, and I've never used these before, so I saw the video on the lady using them. It shouldn't be that complicated. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about learning how to use this tool. You got these. I don't know, it goes in here. Yeah, and then we got this, so I'll be learning all that. I saw her use it before, and it comes in this nice case, and I think these are 1/2 inch, I think. How about that? Yeah, about 1/2 inch or so. And I'll probably get smaller ones eventually, but the pattern that I saw, you make a little wallet. She has a grommet in there. So I'll be using that. I'm excited. So that was the first thing I got, and it wasn't bad. I think this was 9 something. If you're interested in this, I will link it down below if you are interested in something like this. Okay. The next thing I ordered was this cross stitch pattern, and I'm trying to get back into cross stitching. I did it once before and I failed at it miserably. And I was trying to go with something kind of simple, something with a stitch pattern on it. So I got this, and as you can tell, it looks like it's some of the writing here is kind of hard to see, but don't fret. You take this, all comes off when you soak it, and it comes off, and it has the DMCs and a French knot I know how to do, because we use that in crocheting sometimes. It has the DMC numbers on it, and I use those for diamond paintings. But I wanted a small little cross stitch to see how I can do it. I have this huge cross stitch pattern that I had downloaded. I want to take it out someday and actually do it. So I want to do a little more cross stitching because it's a huge complicated pattern. And this is a 11 count cross stitch thing. And I think it's because it's you 11 across. I mean, I'm learning all this. So, and you use 3 strands on it, so it's 11 count, 3 strand. I can't wait to show you my progress on it as I'm learning. I also have a beaded cross stitch that I have that is packed away that I bought through, was it 123 stitch.com, I think. Anyway, it's a beaded frog cross stitch pattern, and it's in my stash somewhere, so I really need to go look for that because I would love to get that done. I bought it about 2 years ago, so sorry for the ramble. So I got that. It comes with this chart as well, and it tells you the back stitch, full stitch, and then the French knot, which I know how to do. And I know how to do the full stitch. I mean, I know how to do it. I've seen it done. Back stitch, I can figure that out. And these are the DMC numbers down here. And this is the symbol and then the number on the top. And that's what it looks like. Teacup for 2, 11 count, 18 by 18 centimeters, stamped, 3 strands. And then this kit, we got the DMC color thread and the needles, and it calls for 3 strands, so I think you take one of these and you pull apart to get 3 strands. Anyway, I'm learning all this, so it will take me some time to figure it out. Eventually I'll get it figured out to where I can attempt to do that huge pattern I downloaded from Etsy a couple years ago. Yeah, so that is my winnings from Cheap to Chic and Katrina's Some sweet happy mail I got from a couple people. I wanted to give them a shout out. And one is from Lilo Crafts, Raina, and the other one is Crystal Rose, Vividly on Paper. And look how adorable. She handmade these cards. It is so beautiful. Look at that. Oh my gosh, how precious is that? It says thank you. Aww. And this was for her entry that I did. She's doing a what do you call that? A challenge, and I think it ended Friday, last Friday. But look at that beautiful dog. Isn't that adorable? And look how she put that together. Thank you for being such a kind friend. I so appreciate your sweet entry to help me celebrate my birthday and YouTube anniversary. I love the BATC card and the pretty bow embellishments, the flowers, ephemera embellishment box, embellishment box, and pens. Wow, you really blessed me. Love you, such a sweetheart. I love your channel. You're so uplifting. When I'm having a bad day, all I gotta do is hear your voice. Anyway, she has this outgoing voice. Beautiful. And then she gave me an envelope, and it has some pieces of ephemera in it. And look at this. It got some flag, and we got butterflies, and we got flowers. And I love these pieces. Aren't they beautiful? The flower. Is that beautiful? And it says laugh. Got that. And this says beautiful on it too. And she made this homemade envelope. Isn't that sweet? It's so sweet. There's a, and this says, today's prayer. And it says, she is more precious than rubies. Proverbs 3:15. Thank you so much, Raina. This is absolutely gorgeous. The card is absolutely beautiful. It is very special to me. Thank you. Because it has a dog on the front. That is gorgeous. Thank you so much, Raina. Beautiful. All right, the next one I got is from Crystal Rose, and this is a thank you for entering her Enchanted Forest collab, and that was fun. And I did a diamond painting. I will link that particular video if I can find it in the card up here. Aww. And it's a bunny with a fairy. Look at that. And she's hugging the bunny. It's a blank card. How nice. And this says, hi Pam, thank you for joining in on my hashtag Enchanted Forest collab. Have a magical crafty day, Crystal Rose, vividly on paper. Oh, that's so sweet. And it says thank you. And she distressed around the card. How sweet. And yeah, so nice. And let's see here, we got some beautiful beads, and they're kind of magical, aren't they? They just got that foresty magical feeling. They got, let me point it down here, got some cute beads and buttons and flowers. Oops, so pretty. I love it. Aww, look at that. That's so cute. I love stuff like this. Oh, it's a little door, like kind of like a fairy garden. How cute is that? Oh, I love it so much. Thank you so much, Crystal. I had a lot of fun with the collaboration. I hope to do one again sometime. Everything's just crazy here right now. And thank you, Raina. Take care. Have a good day. Please stay safe out there. Bye.